So we've already written this down from part 1. It then says when t is 0, x is 2, and when t is 5, x is 1. So we're going to need to rearrange this to get our equation that links x and t, so we can find this other value here for t when x is 0.5. So first thing I'm going to do is flip all of this over, flip both sides. So that when I bring the dx up, there's an x on this side, because if we'd brought this one up, we'd need a t on this side, and we'd have an x. So the other thing I've taught you all is that if there's a k on the bottom of a fraction, bring that up with your t. So we're going to have k dt equals minus x to the minus a half. I'll bring that root x up as a power, dx. That's all now ready to be integrated. So we're going to get kt equals. So to integrate this, we're going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power with my constant of integration, and that is obviously minus 2. I'll write that as root x because I'm going to be subbing things in. So that's my general equation. We obviously now need to work out k and c using the information that they gave us. So they first said when t is 0, x is 2. So we're going to have 0 here on the left. We're going to have minus 2 root 2 plus c. So c is positive 2 root 2. And it also said that when t is 5, x is 1. So we've got 5k equals minus 2 times root 1, which is just 1, plus 2 root 2. So k is minus 2 plus 2 root 2 all over 5. And we need to work out what t is when x is 0.5. So I'm going to keep writing k, but when I come to use k, I'm obviously going to use this thing here. So we've got when x equals 0.5, what's k? What's t, sorry. That's what we're trying to find. So we've got kt here equals minus 2 root 0.5 plus 2 root 2. So I'll type all that in. Minus 2 root 0.5 plus 2 root 2 is just root 2 on the top there over k. But k is this minus 2 plus 2 root 2 over 5. So root 2 divided by k comes out at 8.54. It says give your answer correct to 1 decimal place, so that's 8.5. 8.5 minutes.